Hey guys, this is the best sleepover ever. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah. Guys, I think I'm gonna go outside a little bit. I'll come back later. Okay, Jennifer. Oh no! Jennifer! Jennifer! What? Where am I? Don't tell me I'm in the clinic. And why? I'll tell you the story. Do you remember me? Yes, your name is Kylie, right? Yes. So what happened was la 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 la, and that's why you're here. Oh, I remember a little bit, but I think my head still hurts a little bit. Yes, that's why doctors never come late for emergencies. So where does it hurt? Right here. I'll get you a cast. Have fun, girls. Okay, let me put her this cast. So I'm gonna put you this cast. Okay, I hope you feel better. I'll try to. 7 months later. Jennifer, yes? You're all right to go home. Yay! Thank you so much, doctor. Should I go now? Of course, go see your friends. They're in your house. Wait. Come! Okay. That's alright. I'm so shocked. Hi, guys. Hi, Jennifer! Oh my god. Let's have a sleepover again. But now I'm never going to go outside by myself. Come, let's go.